on in what this video. But I'm not gonna share button. I am directing this video to Mathias and his Umwebeke. Oh God, no, say, hey, imana, so many numerous miracles are recorded on Zion. One would is soon that for you, but every day now, but if I had that for no, I had to showcase a miracle. See, show another miracle again. See, showcase another miracle again. Numerous one and a showcase in a Lagos. On other for ye a miracle and a go say unu police juno na ya da for ye ngba o Mathias na ndo to go na unu police juno na ha fu kere me na Lagos from Abania or from tomorrow morning. I will begin to showcase series of miracles people who received their instant miracle, even onyada gije galije, numerous miracles. I am going to start showing it to you people tomorrow. Because Mathias Ezeaku will go to Abuja, we make arrest, we prosecute the person, we do this. Na ya manalo. Very now we want to kana aba. Onya nwale onye ke onye nwanwu. They want to go. So uno na amacho go na hazi egosi miracles ejike ebuge waja ebuge Mathias, a lot of them ebuge ha ulisi epedebe miracles a na-egosi na Zion Lagos maka miracles na-emu go na miracle na water, miracle na water, prophecy na everyday, prophecy na everyday, miracle na water. Mana ha ulisi ekwere afu ya so also asịrị ka ha na-eje na page ya eje enyo olu ogo ona ayeji nwere testimonies and miracles if I have. So I'm going to start showing you people numerous miracles God ji his servant Evangelist Ezeaku women and go pala the other go miracle ya chago ba n'anya. Our God is still in the business of doing miracle. Our God is still capable of doing anything and everything. The other go. So I will start showing you people the miracles in case of one for her. The other go. Makana gwana abia na Zion. No na alolo go. God of Zion na alolo go. Onye tishalo meguno owulo dogo. Miracles in terms of business breakthrough. For example, you heard the man from Enugu, Sunday Enugu branch Webia. That man donated 20 million to Zion Enugu branch. Iju enyere haka secure their permanent site. Nepa 20 million to we support as his own part of Thanksgiving. Now Zion Nango Bala 40 million. And he said that it is because na God of Zion Tishalo ye Owewulo Doku. That is also a miracle. And in Enugu State be Mathias Efa. So even you will make it reference on this one. I even the galije. I record unda webu webia and I had jaka wena. So I don't know why people this noisemaker see you pay deaf ear and blind to all those things. Also have a person miracle also miracle every day miracle many who every day miracle many who people they share their testimonies, people they prophecy na abia, people they claim that prophecy manifestation na abia and then as testimony it will lack confession nwanwu ka wo bago etiri na mo ewuru ifejedebe gebe ya no ikweta na odebe go unu yes na mkpoto usu nwere onu unu nwere minority or the lowest minority kuno nwere ifunu agụba na number ya agụno nya o me fe na za agụba ndezi ya agụno go nwere ifunu number unu constitute just a little number of people na constitute this nuisance. Go you people can never stop the work of God. The work of God is marching on. A testimony to this is what happened in Ngobara. It is a tsunami. Oh no, Rugo Ghana Wefa Nkago Serene Bane Jeke Udo. You want to go? Onani Nigarim Otto. Onani Nigarim Otto. Winners. Uyetepo. Ghana 100,000 capacity. 100,000 capacity. Eh? unu ka na-enyekwu mkpọtụ adoration Enugu na contain more than how many people? Ndị mmadụ juru ebe ahụ. Ije na nke Ebube Mmụọ Nsọ, ndị mmadụ juru ebe ahụ. Ije na nke ọdọ mmiri, ndị mmadụ juru ebe ahụ. Ije na nke Fada Ọkụnerere, ndị mmadụ juru ebe ahụ. Ije na nke Odumeje, ndị mmadụ juru ebe ahụ. Ije na nke Jerome, ndị mmadụ juru ebe ahụ. How many of them ka mma abụọ? Jee na nke Jeremiah Omotofoye, ndị mmadụ juru dia. Jee na Omega Power Ministry, ndị mmadụ juru dia. Jee na nke Apostle Chibuzo, ndị mmadụ juru ebe ahụ. Ada achọ mmadụ achọ the little number unu nwelu na kiosk ebe unu na-anọ adafu mmadụ ebe a. That is roll call. Numbers is what we are looking at. It is numbers. I'm out to vote. Numbers. Who is the richest? Numbers. Yeah? Who is the richest? Numbers. Numbers. You can never do anything without counting numbers. Why isn't Gobala developing today? Numbers of people that are moving there. Courtesy of Evangelist Kobe. Can even know which we will know today. Numbers of people who are trading in Nkwannewi market today. So numbers matters. Numbers matters. So the gate of hell can never and shall never prevail. And the event and time goes go near. So I will unveil to you people series of miracles I record on Angobala. Able to deaf and blind on a page in design on Adafu numerous miracles I will show you people to Kimberno and Tanon. Never put that on any has a miracle because for another miracle online and it be important. If you're not I'm very happy that God of Chukwu Bukano Zubin has shut mouth of people. Lips have been sealed and mouth has been shut. People have good reality. People have good reality. Woman, you take a good do. You want to go? You put not touching when you push you so. So na Nigeria na Igbo ba ya ke ya pia. If lay for if lay for a terror to his family members. With somebody who is a non-entity, ya pota they be immediate professors, doctors, career people, elite, people who are successful in that be wafa. If you find them na no ofike to carry wonyema. You want to go? O kai no rukwa ka obodo onye ofu onye anya na weze. Obodo ofu onye anya na ashide lead ndị mmadụ. O kai no rukwa. You want to go? O kai no rukwa. If you personalities of people, okay, for men that matters. I know what possible. If I mega channel, Hamugari Vincent, Mugari People, Bugari Wojin and Zubenine. I know what I had the Panakuzila if I had good enough, no one known the name more than a day more than a genuinely. I'm not of an ananke, dear, Umukobian and make it. I can't do more than a name the real ordinary. Never down. What I go? Lahani made the real ordinary. On a blonde car, blonde this new generation. I want to do Mathias Ezeaku. What I go? Ndamolo di fe so. Hamolo di fe so. Hamolo fe so. Because all that made the real ordinary. I had to go preaching do similar to the Bible. Because not the ordinary so. Ime Mahometa and it will all the same preaching. Ime Jokumo. You want to go? So ordinary. The spiritual part of ordinary, the spirituality part of ordinary. Well also on your weather in a bono or no hebono, they don't swallow. Cannot believe no Molanya Mafia. And my also drop an affair. No more better hand it to way. How Makumbo Colobio Baloflash or freedom. Freedom from their conscience. So they can do whatever thing they want to do and get away scot-free. They want to go without anything breaking their conscience. Actually, they will reward for any effort job, madman or what. They don't even believe in. Come on. They want to go. So share this video because we are going to draw the attention to what happened. In case I want to hammer, when we go on a police and go to my house or holiday or vacation. They want to go. Share this video. On our law. One day, but as I on get Shayoki will do, but as I on get what if you know outside and I could even a minute, they will do too much. You, I will not want you, it will better not that minister do too much. Or block also that ministry one day. bata n'ime Chineke, bata n'ime Chukwu, na-akpa day, morning and night. You will take me, because God is everywhere. God is everywhere. God is in the cooking and adoration. God on many. God in so many places. Yes, but I don't know from Eden. What I go, and God of Zion. Now, Lord, share this video.